Hello friends, here I am going to explain very important topic of the chemistry is osmotic pressure, which included the osmosis, exosmosis and reverse osmosis. Here I am going to explain you how can you use the simple things and to calculate the osmotic pressure. You having water bottle, cold drink bottle, any of the cold drink bottle, you will take it and cut it from the half and make the narrow funnel, thistle funnel, and you will take any of the paper. I have this paper and apply acetic acid because it act as a SPM, semi-permeable membrane, and this is cellulosic, and when we apply acetic acid by pouring on it, and after certain time we will observe it become dry and leave it for the drying process. So our semi-permeable membrane is prepared. Now I will apply by using this rubber band, okay, and make a funnel through this way. In this diagram, this is the thistle funnel and SPM bottom of this, like this. I will cover with this SPM from the by applying acetic acid and paper. So now our thistle funnel is ready with SPM, semi permeable membrane, and now again we have taken the water. Now water, very small amount of the water, you will measure. If you having measuring flask, then no issue, and because all these things are in the chemistry apparatus, but we will use this home also. So water, any of the medicinal cap you will take, on the medicinal cap mark is formed on this 10, 20 or 5 ml, 10 ml, 20 ml, 40 ml, whatever is the requirement you want to prepare the solution. Okay, so if you don't have these type of milligram and thing, you have to take very pinch of the salt and make it the solution. Okay, so I have added by measuring the salt on this by using this paper. Okay, so I am going to represent here how can I measure the salt. Now I have taken the, okay, now 500.5 milligram. Okay, so this is our basic balance 0.5. Okay, now I will remove from this. Okay, now I will add into this solution. Now it become solution. Okay, so our solution is ready by mixing into the solute and solvent from the solution. Okay, now I will pour this solution in this SPM thistle funnel. Okay, and okay, now I will mark the level. Okay, you will observe the level. I will mark the level from this and then pour into the solution which you have seen. Pour into the solution which you have seen in this figure, the same thing. Okay, then what happened? Atmospheric pressure P, this one is the height, solution and solvent, movement of the solution, which I kept in this thistle funnel. Okay, you will see here how after certain time what happened, a pressure is applied. Okay, a pressure is applied when I pour this into water. Now you will observe how SPM absorb and water level increases in this. It will take time. After certain time, you 10 or 20 minutes, the level increases. Okay, so you observe the increased level of the solution. Okay, so height, you will measure the height. I will observe from here. Now you will notice in this, okay, pi is equals to h rho g. Okay, so the level of solution rises in the thistle funnel due to osmosis of the solvent. So how can you say that this is osmotic pressure? When we apply, if you doing with yourself, then you will observe the flow will continue till equilibrium is attained. uh, so you will see here the flow of the solvent flow into its side to solution side across a semi-permeable membrane can be stopped if extra pressure is applied on the solution. This pressure just stop its extra stop it's if extra pressure is applied on the solution. This pressure just stop the flow of the solvent is called osmotic pressure. Okay, now we will observe after 20 minutes pressure become, now our level is this. Have you seen? Have you seen here? Our level become this. Now you will observe in this. Okay. Now level of the solution increases. Okay. Level of the solution increases. This shows the osmotic pressure. Okay. Now the other thing, how can we use the excess pressure equal to the osmotic pressure must be applied on the solution side to prevent osmosis. We will make the SPM by using this. You having any of the pipe, or you can use pen, transparent pen, and these type of bottle, plastic bottle I make just to show the very simple method. And this one is the solution in which I kept solution in the, to make the solution I add some salt, NaCl, I'm using common salt, and then put water. Okay, now the same in this solution solvent is here. Now you will observe the level of the both the things, and it passes through this SPM. Inside this I applied this. For making the SPM I am using this paper, or if you don't have this paper, any of the paper, you will fold it. Newspaper also you can take it and fold it and form the this type of apparatus just to show the osmotic pressure. So what we have to calculate from this osmotic pressure, osmotic pressure is represented by pi, in which CRT. What is C? C is the concentration, R is the constant, and T is the temperature. Now osmotic pressure equal to the concentration of the solution at given temperature T. So pi is equals to N2 upon V RT. What is N2? Moles of the solute. How can you form the moles, number of solute particles? From we have to calculate from here. Okay, I have shown you earlier. Now volume of the solution by measuring this volumetric things, any of the things, or this flask also we can use is volume of the solution. So, and Wt is the gram of the solute, and M2 is the molar mass of the solution. So osmotic pressure volume pi V is equals to W2 RT upon M2, and M2, through this way we can calculate the molar mass of the solution, molar mass of the solute into the solution. Thank you. Have a good day.